Alright, here we are. We're going to start up my Powerstroke here. Cold start. 13-degree day. Well, night. Now it's not time. It's probably 9. The batteries are dead. Tried to start it earlier. The batteries are dead. As you can see, I got a jump running for the glow plugs. It should start. Fucking door. Alright. 10 seconds after the light goes out. Let's sit for that. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Fuck it. Boobs. Come on. I know you got it. Oh, fuck. This is what I get for not running it for a month. Dickhead. There we go. She hates me. Woo! Smoke it. Up. Love the charger. Good old Powerstroke right there back one. See that fucking back pressure valve kick on in a second. That's called Powerstroke. Not running.